Okay, just going to run a quick test on the Gauss strength on some of our devices here running the Schumann resonance. Alright, this is just plugged straight into the phone and into the coil, just so you can properly see. So no amplifier, just playing these frequencies. Okay, so I'm going to null this. This is the Gauss meter. This is the probe that we use. So we just run this across the coil on top and we'll see the Gauss strength. And yes, that's right. So straight from your phone, there's 9.5 Gauss. So heading towards 10 Gauss just coming off of this here. So this is a CX6. This is what we're calling them. This is a CX3. This is a pendant. This here does come with an amplifier version, which is much more powerful. So that'll be the CX6A. And this here is the iTaurus 2, which is what I've just received recently. So I've been testing that and enjoying that lately. But so 9.5 Gauss with this here running that frequency. That there is really good. We can see that this here gives off, powers that light. You can see that. Right. So this is just a coil with an LED attached to it. Magnetic induction. Now we're going to plug this in and we'll have a look on the Gauss strength. Just before I do that, we've got our little testing magnet ball here, just so you can see that there's moving. And that way there, this comes with every device that we send out, just so you can see, you know, or hear or feel some results, knowing that it's working, the coil's working. Okay, so now we've got our little CS3 pendant plugged in, so we'll null this back down to 0. It never goes down to properly 0, it's normally 0.2 to 4 to 5. Just because that's just how this works. It's picking up some magnetic field in the atmosphere, in your environment, your buildings, your wires, etc. Alright, now we'll go, it's running the same frequencies, I can show you that soon. Our pendant here. So right now this is getting us a 6.2 Gauss strength coming out of the center of this here pendant. Alright, so that's quite good, very good. Yeah, it's very good actually. What I can also do as well, see this N stands for north, so north polarity. There's also south, all right, but I can show you, because it's being held right now to receive the strongest. If I push this button here, while I'm doing that, there you go. So you can see it flicker, north, south, and it's going crazy, right? But you see the S and the north, it flickers. So you're getting north and south polarity with these coils, all right, for your PEMF therapy. So you're getting both polarities, which is really good. Okay, moving on. We will now test, well, we can test the iTaurus 2 if you like. But before we do, again, magnet ball. Just put that on there, a little bit of a dance. Okay, LED light with the pickup sensor coil flashing, nice. There you go. And let's check the iTaurus 2. Alright, so the iTaurus 2 there is plugged in. I've nulled that, still running the same frequencies like I have the whole time. Okay, so we can test the Gauss. I'll just null that again, which might bring it back up to 0.5 anyway, 0.3. It just does that, right? Alright, so here we go. Let's see how much Gauss. I'll do it just across the top, inside. We'll go in the coil, right along it, on the outside. Always the strongest comes out of the center of everything, the center or right around the inner ring. Okay, so this is why I'm right in the center here, doing this. Alright, push it right down in there. And that's the reading we're getting, 6.3. Now our pendant here got 6 point something Gauss, so basically maybe on par in the Gauss strength. This here got close to 10, or no, yeah, it was 9.5 Gauss on this one here. Now let's test, can this magnet ball dance? I actually don't know. Yes, it can. Does the same sort of thing. Alright. So that's pretty good. You can sit that right down in there. So that's definitely pretty good. crazy. LED light. Can't really see that actually light up, but I can't get it down in there where it would probably be the most Gauss strength either, because the magnetic ball sits somewhat recessed in there as well, I believe. Don't mind the kids if you can hear that. But yeah, so there you go, 6.3 Gauss for that. It's all plugged straight into the phone like I showed you. It's all exactly the same. 6.3. Yeah. Alright, so I'll quickly run through these again. We'll nail that. So it's, I guess, fresh now. Here we go. 6.2. Can't exactly remember what we got before, but it was 6 point something. So, and the iTaurus 2 was 6.3. And this one here, yeah, 6.2. Magnet ball. But yeah, these here light up the LED quite good. And just test this one again. Okay, so 6.2, we'll nail that. Still got that going, Schumann resonance. And let's test. Oh, nail that again. Jumped up there, must have got a bit close. Hang on, what's going on? Alright. 7. There we go, there, around sort of in the center, just not on the outer rim, maybe sort of in the center inner rim, if you will. But yeah, it was 9.5 before, this time it's closer to 10. So Gauss. And yeah, no shenanigans here. It's quite amazing, really. Schumann resonance, chord, straight into the device. Okay, there you go, 10 Gauss. Thanks for watching. Hope you found this interesting. See you next time.